Hello. Hi, everybody, and welcome to my today presentation. I'm happy to be among the Global Arts and Medicine Fellowship for the cohort number 9 for today's Ignite Talk, August 2025. I'm happy to be among you today, and I hope to motivate you for my today presentation. Let me give you the introduction and go throughout. I'm Dr. Menatalla Elmadany. I'm a physician, public health advisor. I'm a mental health expert, digital and expressive artist. I'm also a speaker, trainer, and mentor. Let me tell you more about my background. I graduated from Ain Shams University in Egypt. I did my master's in healthcare delivery from Arizona State University and practiced in Abu Dhabi. I'm a mental health advocate and advisor. I'm a co-founder of the Arab Boards and for Arts and Health, and I'm a member of Abu Dhabi Psychiatric Club. I'm a career and leadership trainer, and I'm a social activist. Throughout my journey, where I practiced general and internal medicine, where it has been a rewarding journey for my clinical career, and also during the COVID, I was a frontline physician where I treated a lot of COVID patients. This came into a transition after a successful personal and professional story. I will share it with you later, and let me give you some glimpse of my personal story as well. I'm a runner where I used to be a runner among a social group for community running. I also participated in a lot of races for completing 5K and 10K, and I was advocating for women health and improving the well-being. For the media impact, also, I completed a training for storytelling with the CNN Arabia Dubai, where I was selected also among a campaign for her, where we share the stories about being a successful woman and how we can improve our communities through education. I do believe that my journey has shifted from the clinical practice in hospital and wards, and my role has evolved from just a physician with a white coat into an advocate and expert in mental health promotion and advocacy, where I joined a lot of networks, events, and I attended a lot of roundtable discussion advocating for improving well-being and mental health. I also used to promote mental well-being and through gender-based violence awareness campaigns, and also promoting mental health in workplaces with organizations in the UAE. I used also to be a digital artist. This is where my journey into exploring the intersection of medicine and art has just evolved, where I exhibited into two conferences in Abu Dhabi in 2023 and 2024, where I used digital painting to express my feelings and also helps to improve my emotional well-being. I used this a way also to help break the stigma about mental well-being and the mental illness and help to shape a positive conversation. I do believe that the support which reflects in this painting is the truth for the personal and professional growth. My journey has evolved more, where last year I just won the international prize recognition for comprehensive patient-centered care model as a healthcare provider in the UAE, and I won the gold winner medal. I'm also a youth leader and empowerment advocate, where I shared the last year more than 7 youth circles participating with youth and community leaders and policymakers, advocating for social involvement of youth for developing the third sector, also for improving youth participation into the creative industry, and participating with the community initiatives for strengthening the social cohesion and improve the social values. I do believe that empowering individuals and communities starts with awareness, and thus I was a women empowerment leader, where I shared attending a lot of events representing women in Dubai and in Saudi Arabia. I'm also a conference speaker and literature, giving lectures about women health, breast cancer awareness, mental well-being in workplaces, psychological support for special needs family, and also giving lectures and speaking at conference about improving the care delivery services. I'm also a social media and content creator, creating videos in Arabic because I do believe that our communities needs a public health awareness about women health and mental well-being, where I share tips and informative videos about that. I used to be last year a mentor as a leadership for career developing for women with a Skyrise Partners company in Dubai last year. Also was a member of Dubai Businesswomen Council, where I shared as a physician and healthcare advisor community a roundtable discussion with women. And recently, I joined the Arab Port for Arts and Medicine in the UAE, representing this chapter and among a lot of experts in the MENA region, trying to improve the field and gather experts who work in the intersection of medicine and arts, trying to improve community initiatives and improving the field practices. And I work as an advisor for improving the mental health services for digital platforms and community public health initiatives. I'm an expressive artist. I use digital paintings to help promote our emotional well being, and I use writing to express myself as well. And finally, I do believe that having a vision in life is what makes us unique. Where I have this quote of the German psychiatrist Viktor Franklin, who's the founder of Meaning therapy as a psychotherapist, saying when a man can't find a deep sense of meaning, they distract themselves with a pleasure. And finally, I'm happy to be among this cohort, and I love to learn more about the intersection of medicine and arts, together building resilient communities and system. And I'm happy to reach you. And thank you so much.